leftovers. Except for the ones that are not supposed to. All my little pine trees, they are getting bigger and bigger. They are getting beautiful. But what will bring to me today is the job that I'm going to show you. Make small video for you to do. So this is with the monkeys or make a compost. And what I'm going to do first I'm going to fix here a good place, then I'm going to put this kind of thing, then a pole with a cap, and attach these things to the pole. Let's see how will it go. For now this looks like this. Let's see how it will look in the end. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye. So I did a part of it, and now it looks like this. Now I'll put the hose against the pole, and there's the water line here. I couldn't put it here in the corner, that's what I wanted, but I was afraid to stick into the hose, so it's still like this. And this is our little horta that we did. Yes, maybe I have to talk louder, or I maybe have to connect the microphone. Now I'm going to put these things, and let's see. Oh, we are back, so next one will be here. I want to put it right here, like this, yes. So let's see. I brought the tools. My tools. Oh, we have a mandarin. There, I love it. Yes, I'm happy, but making big holes, digging is not fun. But I want to put this new pole right there in the corner. Guys, look at this. This is how healthy it is. The land is full with them. And I'm trying to put here now the hole, the new pole. But look at this. This is the big ones, huh? So here's the inspector to see the work I'm doing. Yeah, it went well. Now I'm going to put the hose there, cut it, and it will be amazing. Here is all my equipment, and this one is to put over there. Yeah, so the job is done. Apparently I have a small wound here, but it's good. So perfect. Now I'll then fix the hose perfectly in place. I have now these beautiful caps also, not to ruin the pole with the rain. It will hold longer for a lot of years, hopefully.